Does it need to be turned at all? Get out the door? Just a sec, Doug. Ah, it's way over there, too far now.
You want to come steer this thing, Mama Bear? She's getting ready to get up and come over here and do it.
How do I want to push it? Push on the back bumper if you get it tight. Actually, if you take our hands, it's inside.
I just painted in there this morning. Too,
yeah, I'm
so
going.
Tread lightly.
Tread lightly. Ah, damn it! I don't want to get out the door, but kind of got it over a little bit. We could cut it now, though, couldn't we? Let's pull it again. Let's pull it, Doug. I'll draw.
You want to go forward?
Yeah, backwards. No, I don't want you pulling there because you got paint in there. Have you not?
Well, I'm going really hand right against his. Let's
just pull on. Let's just pull on this paint. Get Tim help you. Just a second.
I got her, Tim. Just
pull straight, not up. Whoa, slow up. You have to be back to the back door here.
Got a big run on there, didn't we?
Yeah, I'm going to go the other way. Like a kid in a candy store right now. Got to get outside. I want to take a look at it. I haven't seen this thing from a distance, really. I guess we took it out. If we can get it out past the hoist, I'd appreciate it. Because if I can't get it back in, I'll just shove it in the other shot and just hold up a second, boys.
Cars here, shoving cars there.
Just go slow. Pull straight.
Ready?
Yeah, just go slow. Oh, slow. I don't know what I'm doing, but whatever. Let's go straight then. Keep going.
Okay, straight.
Just go slow. Whoa.
Man, what are you doing up there?
I should get the front end away. Let's go back slowly.
Are you sure?
Let's go ahead.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay. Catch the bumper on the door.
There you go.
All right. Now we can go backwards.
Now we go back.
Now I can see what I'm doing. Terrible, I must say. Terrible. But still not doing that good. Slow. All right, go ahead. Hard on you boys?
No.
Am I hard on you boys at all?
Trying to walk it first.
Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Not much room.
No, but I think I can't see your quarter up there. But
Tire hitting it there. Can we?
Are you ready?